अभूतपूर्व आते हैं।
Governor of Meghalaya, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired today, visited Nehu Tura campus. During his visit, he laid the foundation for the construction of the girls' hostel. Speaking on the occasion, he spoke on different aspects of the university, including the administration, faculty and the students. He also called upon the stakeholders to work together for the betterment of the university, while calling upon the faculty members to enhance their knowledge and help the students in the growth of their personality.
It is vision of somebody, visionary people who have brought about this big campus, such a good educational amenity here in far-flung place like Tura. Such things must happen frequently, every time and everywhere, because education in life of human beings is the most important thing. It is a step higher than even health.
NPP candidate from Pinthor